Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a tournament on chess.com. First of all, just open up the browser and just simply search for this chess.com and then that should take you in this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option, and here you can enter your username or email password and then simply tap on this login. You can even log in with your Apple account, Google account or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of create and logging in your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up here. It will take you on this page, and here of course you will have to enter your username, your email and then your password and simply click on sign up. Now when your account is logged in or created, you will be land here. This is the main screen of chess.com. So now to create a tournament, what you have to do is you have to tap on this play in the left options and then simply tap on this tournament. As you can see, chess tournaments you can join. Just click on OK because we don't care about it. Now of course we would like to click as create daily tournaments here from this list panel. As you can see, when you click on it, they told you that you must become a premium member to host the tournament such as chess.com. So make sure to choose whatever plan you would like to have, the premium one, the best one and the most popular gold one, and it's not the cheapest of course. Then you want to actually pay for your plan, go back and click on add create daily tournament and you will have the options to create. Just give the name for the tournament, days per move, the group size, the max players and even advance per group. Of course, even the rating likes could be rating from 0 to 1000 or something like that, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.